we're probably gonna have to use some self-leveling concrete substrate base here. And in order to apply, we got already too many holes and gaps. All right. Okay, our next step will be get those spaces, open spaces next to the walls sealed up, so our self-leveling concrete doesn't run away from the room and for the exact spot that we need it. This expands so you can move quite fast. Make sure obviously you previously clean for dust and debris. Alright, once we apply the foam, obviously it still is fresh. We're gonna let it dry, then we're gonna trim it. Here we're gonna be careful because we got those bunch of wires from the heated rollers. So make sure you don't cut anything obviously. We're gonna perform some tests on that system to make sure nothing is damaged. And then next step will be expansion joint against all the walls. And we're gonna glue another foam perimeterally all around the walls.